Hello, this is Janelle Mann from the University of Manitoba. In this video, I am going to show you how to use Gretel to generate data from a uniform and a normal distribution. The first thing we need to do is open a Gretel script. To do this, click File, Script Files, New Script, and select Gretel Script. This will allow us to input commands into Gretel. Once your script is open, the first thing we want to do is type clear. This removes any of the variables that are currently open in Gretel. Now we want to tell Gretel the sample size. We are going to have a sample size of 500 observations. Type null data space 500. If you wanted a different size, you would just change the number 500 to whatever the size is that you want. Next, we are going to generate the data from a normal distribution. To do this, type GENR. This means generate, and is used anytime we create a new variable in Gretel. The name of our new variable is N1. You can name it whatever you want, but this is going to be, for this video, N1 is going to be the data generated from a normal distribution. Now type equal normal open bracket 0, 1 close bracket, which means the data is from a normal distribution with a mean of 0 and a variance of 1. Next, let's generate the variable that is drawn from a uniform distribution. Again, we type GENR space. We will call this variable U1 for uniform distribution. Now type equals uniform. And again, we're going to use a mean of 0 and a variance of 1. These are all of the commands that we require, so now we need to run the Gretel script. To do this, go to the toolbar where you see the 2 gears and click on it. Another option is to use Control or Command R. After running the code, you will see another pop-up that says Script Output, and it tells us what we have done. Now go to the variable view, and you can see we have our 2 variables, N1 and U1. If you right-click on top of N1, we can make a frequency distribution. Here is a frequency distribution for the variable we just created. You can do the same for the uniform distribution. Obviously, these 2 graphs are very different from each other. So this wraps up the video that shows you how to generate data from a uniform and a normal distribution using Gretel. You can change many of the inputs, such as the sample size, the mean, and the variance of your distribution. This wraps up the Gretel video. This is Janelle Mann signing off.